Hello traders, this is Dr. Zain Agha from zwinner.com. Here are my forecasts for the week starting 28th of September and ending on Friday the 2nd of October. But before I give you my forecast, my signals, let's go back to last week and let's see what happened. This is the Australian dollar US dollar 4-hour chart. This was our target, that the Australian dollar will go high up. So we had target 1, target 2 and the stop loss. Unfortunately, the Australian dollar went down as the US dollar became stronger. Next we have the Euro USD. In Euro USD, which we achieved our target 1, and we also achieved our target 2. I hope you got both of them. So next one is the Gbp USD. We got our target 1 on Gbp USD, and it came quite close to target 2, but then it bounced back, so we got only target 1 here. Okay, now let's go to the US dollar Japanese yen. Here the market just came close to our target 1, and then it shied and bounced back up, and it's going up and up and up. Next we had the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. So we got our target 1 and we also got our target 2. So we got both targets. I hope you got them too. Next we go to the US dollar against the Swiss franc, and here too we got a target 1 and target 2. So you should be happy. I hope you got both targets as well. So we did not trade the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Other than that, we trade these 6 pairs, and we got profits on 5 of them, and in just 1 went against us. We did not fill our entry. So anyway, now let's go and see what's in store for the next week. Okay, here is how we're going to trade this week. The Australian dollar USD pair, we're going to go short and looking for our first target at 0.6935 and the second target at 0.6810, and our stop loss or our bounce back is going to be 0.7417. Now this is the Euro USD. We're going to go short on Euro USD, and we'll be looking for target 1 at 1.1425 and the target 2 at 1.1232 with the stop loss at 1.2019. Then we are going to go short on the Gbp USD as well, and the first target will be at 1.2505 and the second target at 1.2303 with the stop loss at 1.3409. Then we will go long on USD JPY with our first target at 106.96 and the second target at 107.98 and the stop loss at 103.95. Then we are going to go long also on the USD Canadian dollar with the target 1 at 1.3485 and target 2 at 1.3680. Then we're going to go long on the USD Swiss franc also and we will be looking for the target 1 at 0.9389 and target 2 at 0.9459 with the stop loss at 0.8993. And this week we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar, so we're going to go short on the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar, and looking forward to target 1 at 0.6380 and target 2 at 0.6186. So these are the 7 major pairs. So I hope you all will make money. Just like last week, we had several of our targets were hit, and we did make good money. Hope it's going to be the same this week as well, and I wish you all the best. Take care and bye bye.